Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna do a glam Raya makeup look, and I'm pretty much done with my brows, and also I've already primed my face using this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Oh my god. And now I'm gonna move to foundation. So for foundation, I'm gonna use this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline in shade number 332 Golden Caramel. Then I'm gonna just put dots on my face. Oh, I think this one suits my skin tone. And then I'm gonna blend it using this blending sponge. This one is from Elemental, and it's just around 20 plus. It's not even over 30, so the price is quite good. So for concealer, I'm gonna use this concealer. This one is a Fit Me concealer in shade number 20 Sensible. So I'll just put it right underneath my eyes, my nose, forehead, right here, and also here, and also right here, like on my smile line. And then I'm gonna shake my face using a Wardah Luminous Face Everyday Luminous Face Powder. So I'll just take this, and then I'm gonna make my eyes first. Like this. While waiting for it to set, I'll do my eye makeup using this Yes Please palette from Colourpop, and for transition shade, I'm gonna take this one. And then using this shade, I'm gonna put right at the outer corner of my eyes. Here, and also right here. So I just have to put like here and here. And then I will take this shade and just spray with a facial spray. Just apply at the middle of my eyes. And then back to this palette. Again, I'm gonna take this shade again. One. And just gonna put a little bit right here. And then I will do my eyeliner. So I'll eyeliner my eyes using the Album Glimmer Stick eyeliner. I don't know. This is a Glimmer Sticks eyeliner in Cosmic Brown. So I'll just apply this at the waterline of my eyes. And then I'm gonna extend a little bit right here. With this liquid eyeliner from Into It, I'll just add blue color right here. So now I will remove this. And then back to this palette. I will take this shade. I'll mix this as well. This and this. And apply it at my lower eyes. Take this shade. Apply at the middle of my eyes, my lower eyes. Like this. And then using this FU circle eye makeup, I will highlight my inner eyes, inner corner. Yes, at my tear ducts right here. Have to highlight a bit of it. Using this Barbie the Makeup Mascara. So then I will contour my face. So to contour my face, I will use this palette till the definer contour and highlight palettes. First the brush. I'll take this brush and then this. I'm gonna contour my nose. And then using this brush, I will take this, and then mix it with this. You see the difference? Oh my god, there's a lot of difference. It's a big difference. This is why you have to contour your face so that your face will look slim and limby too. And then I will blush my cheek using a Zoe Vaquera Spectrum palette. And as usual, I will take this shade. This is my favorite shade. I really like this shade. This shade. I will use this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Hustler Baby and just highlights my nose. Oh my god. Right here. Oh my god. It's popping. Oh my god. Okay. I will use this Ultra Matte Lip from ColourPop in Speed Dial. Let me just apply it like this. And then I will make it look gradient by using this Silky Girl Go Matte Lip color in Siren Red. So I'll just put it at the inner part of my lips. Just inner part of my lips like this. So I'm done. I'm done with my makeup, and I hope that you enjoy my video. Selamat Hari Raya. maaf zahir dan batin kalau Syana ada buat salah ke apa-apa ke kan, ataupun Syana ada cakap something yang buat korang rasa tak selesa, then Syana nak minta maaf. And tahun ni Syana cuma buat satu kek je sebab Syana busy sangat kan, busy dengan kerja, jadi Syana tak dapat nak buat banyak kek dan biskut. Kebanyakannya mak Syana buat. I think my mom she baked 2 cakes and I baked 1, my sister baked 1, so it's like 4 cakes this year. Yeah. Nak buat macam mana kan, sebab tahun lepas rasanya dalam 5 ataupun 6 kek kita orang buat, sebab masa tu Syana baru habis praktikal kan, tengah praktikal pun masa tu tak ingat. So Syana tolong mak buat kek, and Syana pun ada buat biskut juga, buat separate, tak silap Syana buat separate. Lepas tu Syana pun buat apa juga kompleks madu ada tak tahun lepas, sebab selalunya Syana akan buat kompleks madu, tapi tahun ni Syana tak buat sebab Syana busy sangat, tak ada free time langsung. So Syana sabar je lah, cuti pun susah nak dapatkan, so itulah ikutkan Syana ikutkan Syana nak buat 3 to 5 videos for Raya look, tapi sebab Syana busy sangat dengan kerja, jadi Syana cuma sempat buat 2. Yang first kali Syana dah upload dekat YouTube, jadi Syana akan letak link dia dekat bawah, and also kat sneakpot. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy my video and see you again on my next one. Kalau nak datang rumah tu, datanglah. Bye. Selamat Hari Raya. Bye.